to fix if Alt plus Shift not working or not changing language in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, first press left side Alt or Shift of your keyboard, and once if still not working, then go to right side and right side of Alt plus Shift press. First press Alt and then Shift. Check left side and right side both. And if you are still facing your error, then go to the Windows settings. Here from the left pane, go to time and language settings. From the right side, choose typing. Scroll down and you will find the option advanced keyboard settings. Click on it and here choose input language hotkeys and check whether your input language key between input language it should be left Alt plus Shift. If you found here another key, then change key sequence and here choose correct sequence of your language keyboard. Press OK. Thereafter go to language bar and make sure that hidden and show the language bar as transparent when inactive. Both the options should be unchecked. If you found it checked, simply uncheck it. The another way to open language change of language setting is again go to your keyboard and press Win plus a space bar. This is the another hotkey to open language settings, change language settings.